Yeah, it's the back of a Kenmore washer. It's a little bit different from a Whirlpool and stuff. I was like looking at it, I said, what the hell, how do I get the back off? And you know, so I bent it a little bit, but what happens is there's these two big clips right here. And the way I did it is I took a flat blade screwdriver and like this, and I stuck it in the slot right here where the clip was, and just went down like that, and that helped pop the back off. Because what I'm doing is I'm replacing the lid switch, which you can bypass it. Here's the switch itself, right? It's got this plastic protective thing, and it comes up through this hole right here, this hole, and there's a couple clips that hold it in place, and the top switch has this clip. In other words, you stick a screwdriver under here so you can pull it up. Now you can also, like if you look at this wire, the green wire is the ground. I know some people just bypass it by jumping from here to there, you know, the outside wires, and that'll work, but then you got no safety switch. But I don't know, I just like fixing stuff myself. Not that I really like doing it, but I just like, you know, when it breaks, I'd rather do it myself, rather fix it myself. So there's a couple little screws over here. They come out, and then there's a green wire up behind here that is your ground, and you can see it on the replacement switch right here. This green wire right here. I don't know if I'm making that too bright, but it just bolts up right over here. That's your ground wire. So real simple. If you could do a car, you can do this easy. And you can see the green wire is attached by a 3/16 little bolt that holds it in place. That's your ground wire. So you got to remove that. So you got to move this tub away from the back. And on this one, like I said, it's got these steel clips. You got to pop them off to get it away from the back. It's a little bit different. I was kind of wondering how this thing worked. I saw those clips and I was like kind of having a hard time with it, but it's actually a very simple procedure. So, but if you don't have the money for the switch, you can bypass it, but you know, it's only a $40 switch, and when you look at a washing machine, there's not too many parts to it. So if you could fix cars, don't be afraid of a washing machine, that's for sure. Yeah, and I didn't reinstall the metal clips. I used some black plastic tie here. I didn't really like the metal, even though it's going on it. There's like a protective tube in there. I use this. It'd be easier to pop out if I ever take this out again. And so I just got to install the back, and then this wire goes. This wire right here just clips on there. That's it. That's all you got to do. That's your safety switch. Yeah, and as far as these weird clips in the back, you want to install this side first, and then from here, right here, you want to smack it down into the hole, and it clips right in there. And then you just got to put a couple sheet metal screws in it, and you're all set. Okay, time to check it. So if you pull the switch, it goes open the lid, it goes off, close the lid, it goes on. Works.